You're probably thinking, oh, Kid Virus, I thought you were gonna do a mythical when Genesis comes out. Well, actually, I decided to do them all because, or at least get the ones that I can get because I'm gonna collect the pins, and the pins look very nice. So I'll get to you when these are all open. I'm back. So here is the Shaymin card. Very nice. I like the holographic. And then here is the pin. Very, very, very cool. Put that over there. And then we have 2 generations packs that has a Venusaur and a Blastoise. Yeah. Get back to you when those 2 are open. I'm back, so I got that was nothing. I got a Krabby, a Machop, Energy, Geodude, Krabby. Oh my god! Stop! I got another Mega! Come on! That is awesome! Another Mega! Come on! Why me? Why am I always getting the good stuff? I got a Mega! Hey, but it's different. It's a pure fairy type. And it's got Brilliant Arrow. So, hey! Pretty good. A Drio? Huh. Gulpin. Shauna. Pokemon Center Lady. Oh my god. Come on! I have 2 Mega Gardevoir EXs. I'll be back when this one's open. I'm back, so we're starting with the main man himself, Pikachu. You got a Caterpie. A Energy. Psychic Energy. Meowth. A reverse holographic Slowpoke. Oh, awesome! I got Charizard! We got the man himself. Another man of himself. I got Pinsir. Esper. Energy Switch. And how? I'm not gonna even try to pronounce that. Here are the highlights today. We got a Charizard. Looks like a grown-up red right there, but hey, you know. I want to make a comment about Esper. Esper is just like, I am your life now. Spend money on me. You shall pamper me. Then we have Mega Gardevoir EX. Another Mega. Reverse Holo Krabby. Very nice. And we got Holographic Shaymin, so very nice. I'll show you the pins of all the ones I have now, together. So I have 4 pins. I got Mega Shiny Gardevoir, Arceus, Zygarde 50% form, and a Shaymin ground form. Oh my god, the Mega. Well, I'm glad you enjoy these. I've been getting so many good cards lately. To be honest, it's not even fair. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll be back with another mythical next week. So stay tuned for that.